learning to sell yourself.
Yes,
a lot of people think sales is just selling items and selling like Coca-Cola or selling just selling anything, like candy bars. Here's the thing, is that anytime you ever do anything in your life, you meet a person, you meet a girl, you meet a person you could potentially be a friend, or you reach out to somebody that you want to build a relationship with in any way, shape, or form, from music, anything. You're selling yourself. Do you get that?
She ain't wrong.
Right? It's not like sell me this pen. It's like I'm selling you me. I'm telling you why you should like me, why you should with me. Everything in life is sales. And when I learned that, I was like, damn. That's crazy. The way you talk, the way you deliver things, the way that you show them who you are. You're selling yourself. You need to understand that, because that goes back into your marketing. It goes back into the other 4 of these. You are always selling yourself to somebody to make them like you. You have to learn how to sell yourself. And that probably put a lot of things into a different kind of perspective for you, huh? Learn how to sell yourself. It's vital.
Yo, Rob, you're gonna change the game, man.
Listen, on everything, I watch you every day. I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. Like the that you be talking about, bro, I listen to it every day, man.